tips today. We're over here by Burger Digs, and it looks like a new loop-de-loop. It may not be. Off in the distance, you can see a loop-de-loop, but it's not a loop-de-loop. It may look like it, but it's not. It goes up sideways and it tilts you almost upside down, but you're not upside down. It's crazy, but cool. Over here, it looks like there's a lot of new building. Sorry. And they're gonna, sorry, somebody's sawing over there. A lot of new building. And so they're gonna be able to give a lot of space for the ride and a lot of indoor parts, because when we walk over here, you still see a bunch of building happening, but it's all for a building. They might be launch sequences, they might be the queue. Sorry, you don't know. And so that is pretty interesting of why they have all the building. It's a pretty nice building. It looks like that space right there, sorry, is supposed to be for windows, maybe something else, most likely not, but the coaster is right there. I think somebody's working on that. A drill was left right there, that's silly. There's some building right there, but what's the building for? Queue or ride thing? Here's a crane, but I don't know. It was here last time we did an update, so who knows if they've used it or not even. That looks like they're still working on that side of the building, or they're just protecting it. One of those, I'm not really sure. But we go over here and there's not too much. There's a huge crane, but there's not that much happening. And so
that was like the mission.
We walk over here.
But I think the most thing I looked for.
Sorry, there is a light post. And so that may mean that they work day in and at night. So that shows you they really want to get this done fast. Some building happening right there. And here is that sideways type thing that we saw over there. It is going super sideways. It'd be interesting if it was like it felt like you were upside down, but you weren't. It would probably go fast, because you gotta go fast to get up there, but that looks pretty interesting. They were moving something with that tall crane earlier, but what was it? Over here it looks like they're wrapping it to keep it safe from rock work, supposedly. I'm sure that'll look amazing when it's done, but that's some cool rock work. When they get that all done, we'll come back for a coaster update. I mean, these are going to be happening every time that we come over here. There's a piece of more straight track. And then another sideways piece. That's one sideways. This is another sideways piece. And then there's one right below it. Now, this is not going to be a dueling coaster, but cool if they have timing right. So that's about it for the coaster update. We'll see you next time on Theme Park Time.